Very cool.
Now we're going to want to crave burritos for lunch,
I know,
right?
I'm hungry.
So what's it looking like for the weekend? Beautiful weekend ahead?
It is gorgeous, at least to start, but we do have some issues to talk about. Let's look out here first, Andrea, looking back toward the eastern plains, and we did see some snowfall across the metro area last night, but turning around, looking back to the high country, they did too. And actually, we have seen several of our ski resorts tally up feet of snow this month. Some fantastic news after such a dry start to the season. It's a slow warm-up across the state. Ray, you've hit 40, actually 41, same in Lamar and Trinidad. Colorado Springs hanging at 23. I saw a picture on Twitter. There's some patchy fog down there in eastern El Paso County. Just 14 in Craig and Steamboat, but we are 38 officially in Denver, 32 from our weather watcher Ron in Kiowa, and a little warmer up north, 37 from Don. He's our weather watcher in Berthoud. Here's Doppler 4000. It's quiet. I'm going to turn the cloud layer on, and you can see some cloud cover hanging in the southern half of the state, slowing the warming for a few. We're going to widen out the view now and show you the big picture. We're looking all the way up here to the Gulf of Alaska for the next weather maker. It drops in this weekend. Look under the word stream here in my banner, and you'll watch that low pressure drop down the coast of British Columbia and into Washington as we go through the weekend. By Monday, it will be sitting off to our west and sending plenty of moisture into the state, along with a good chance for snow coming up early next week. On the surface map, one front all the way to the south of us, the one that came through here yesterday and brought that blast of snow, we will get another front as that low pressure I just showed you drops into place. Ahead of it, a windy, warm weekend, but that front rolls through here sometime Monday, and it does bring a pretty good chance of snow both to the high country and even here in Denver. So this is something we'll be watching very closely for you as we roll into early next week. A high wind warning goes into effect at midnight tonight. We're in between storm systems, but the way the jet stream is oriented, it's going to be very windy all weekend long. So this is for the Front Range mountains and foothills. Gusts there could be up as far as 85, maybe even 90 miles per hour. High temperatures today. I think we will top off in the 40s for the northeastern plains, maybe near 50 in the Arkansas River Valley, mostly 30s in the high country if you're going to head up and do a little afternoon skiing, 45 in Grand Junction. Here's the 5-day forecast. So it's a huge warm-up this weekend, compliments of the jet stream. It'll do two things, though, Andrea. It brings in the heat, or the warmth, I should say, but it brings in a ton of wind for our Front Range mountains and foothills. And then look at Monday, the bottom drops out with that next cold front, and we do have a pretty good chance of snow coming up for Monday night. So a little something for everybody over this 5-day period.
Don't you just love Colorado?
Absolutely.
It just absolutely swings up and down.
Yes.
Gotta love it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Chris. I heard about